What up, y'all? In this video, we're going to talk about how to construct a home recording studio for people who want to make videos for students. Behind me is my home recording studio. I'm writing a blog post on equipment that I bought in order to prepare this, and I wanted to show how I use that equipment in action on both the computers and what the actual physical layout is so you can get an idea of what this looks like in practice. The first thing I want to highlight in this is back here is my computer. It's a Mac Pro. It's a video editing computer. You don't have to have one of these, but I do use one. So this computer attaches to the 3 monitors. I like 3 monitors when I'm working so that I can do editing, content creation, and some other work here. It kind of decreases the amount of time that I have to spend going between windows. Up here are the lights. I think these are the Neewer, N-E-E-W-E-R 2-pack. The whole idea of these is they have like a little button click on that I can turn, and that light kind of either lights my face for the webcam. So this is the Logitech, what is it, the 1090p? I think this is the C920. So that thing connects to a USB port, which I'll show you in just a second. I do buy these little Anker USB 4 ports. It turns one USB into 4 of them because every single one of these input devices has a different, has a USB connector. So I have my computer, my lights. I actually have 3 lights. So I have one here, and that's for lighting in the face. And then I have one over here, which is for the document camera. So this is the IPEVO document camera. It connects via USB to one of these things, which I connect to the computer. When I'm not using these, I unplug it just because I don't want surveillance footage to capture this stuff. So this is my lighting system. I go ahead and turn that on. It lights this surface, and I can capture that on the document camera. I have my webcam set up, so if I'm simultaneously, it's kind of hard to see this on your end, but if I'm working on this, what I can do is set it up so that my document camera captures my hand motions, and then this thing captures my face, so I can actually talk and write at the same time. And then this is my microphone. This is a Blue Yeti microphone. It's good sound quality. And the nice thing about this is I can move it around. If I'm working over here, I can move it. If I'm working on coding, sometimes I make coding videos, I can move that over here. And this is kind of a fully functional space, and it allows multiple versions of content capture. So most of these products are listed in the blog post that I'll post in the description below. I'm not trying to sell these products. I'm showing you what I use at home. One of the goals of this is to help you all. If you're interested in doing this, I do believe that it's really useful to have your own recording studio at your home so you're not having to come into work to make videos. And so I chose for my own stuff that was affordable, relatively cheap, and durable. I have a whole another blog post about criteria that I use to buy video equipment. But that's kind of the overview of what my home recording studio looks like. Below in my blog post, I'll also link to some videos that I produced using this equipment. So hopefully that gives you an idea. Thank you for your attention. I'll see you in the next one.